Gue Persija, gue champion. Halo teman-teman Jackmania, apa kabar semua? Semoga semua dalam keadaan sehat dan tetap semangat ya. Jumpa lagi di channel YouTube Persija Jakarta dan kembali bersama saya Randi Tanaya yang tentu saja akan memandu dalam sebuah konten yang sangat menarik, yaitu kita akan sama-sama berinterview atau secara online dengan mantan penggawa Persija Jakarta. Siapa lagi kalau bukan Emmanuel Paco Kemonye. Wah, menarik ya Paco, teman-teman yang punya memori bersama Paco. Yuk sama-sama kita simak karena saya akan menanyakan beberapa pertanyaan yang sudah teman-teman kumpulkan via Instagram dan sudah kita pilih untuk ditanyakan langsung ke Paco. Nah, dan oleh karena gitu langsung saja kita akan telepon sama-sama Paco. Yuk. Halo teman-teman Jackmania, dan saya sekarang sudah tersambung dengan Emmanuel Kemonye, Paco yang biasa kita panggil Paco di Persija, dan kita sama-sama akan segera berbicara atau ngobrol langsung nih dengan Paco. Halo Paco, how are you?
Hello, I'm fine, and you?
I'm good, thank you. So, Paco, many Jackmania wanna hear your updates, wanna hear your news. So, where are you now, Paco?
Now I'm in Belgium,
Belgium.
as you know. Yeah, because I decided to stop playing
Mm-hmm.
2 years ago,
Okay.
and I went to make my license, coaching license, since
Okay.
last year. Yeah, so now I'm not playing, but I'm coaching.
You coach now. Okay.
Yeah.
Paco, actually we have collected the questions from Jackmania via Instagram.
Yeah.
So
Mm-hmm.
this question is from Jackmania who wants to hear your updates. Okay, the first question, Paco. Um Paco, what's your activities like lately now?
You know, activities before this pandemic, we were playing. We were on
Okay.
league. And since the pandemic started, we decided to stop. And so now I'm just working on my project in Africa,
Okay.
and yeah, and waiting for the new season to start.
Mhm.
So that's my daily news.
Okay. So now you're with family in Belgium, now
Yeah.
and become a coach. Okay,
Mm.
Paco. No, you wearing Persija jersey. Uh, do you have any uh, sweet memory with this jersey? You still collect
Oh,
it?
you know, as I said before, this is the first jersey I wear when I arrived
Oh,
in Persija.
the first jersey.
This is the first one.
So
Yeah, this
so
is the first.
okay. Can you
So
share with us why you choose your number 59?
yeah, 59 because it's the date of birth of my mom. No,
Oh,
not the year of birth. My
okay.
mom was born on 1959. That's why I took for 59.
Okay, I see, I see. So, Paco,
Yeah.
we know you are now have already have soccer school, right? Is it correct?
Yes.
Can
In
you
Cameroon, yeah.
Okay? Can you share with us about your soccer school in Cameroon?
Yes, we have many talents in Africa, especially
Okay.
in Cameroon, and most of them they don't have good training. They don't have place to train like me before when I was young. So they have to play in the street, and they don't have real training. And when they go out of Africa, or they find some difficulties sometimes. Some of them, most of them. So because they're in Africa, they work hard, they run, but the real training they
Okay.
didn't get it. The basics they don't have. Tactically they don't have. So that's why I decided to create this to help them, and it's free. I don't take any any money to no one. So I made a selection for about two or 300 players, and my coach is there. They make the selection, and now we have. I start with about 30 players, 30 players. And last year I add the junior one, so the little one from age from 9 years old and on the 12.
Okay.
So now, yeah. So because in the street you have many players, but they don't have place to make trainings. That's why I created this academy. And as you know, I put Tiger because my story is procedure. It's always it's
Oh.
forever. Yeah. So this is to help some my little brothers to make trainings, and yeah, that's it. And maybe if tomorrow they find a team, I'm open to let them go. And
Okay.
that's why I create this.
I see. That's a
Mm.
very nice project, I think, because we know Cameroon has
Mm.
many talented player, right?
Many, yeah,
Okay,
many, so many. Mm.
Pacho, we're gonna back a few years when you join Persija. We will talk a lot about
Okay.
your memories with Persija. Pacho, back to
Yeah.
that you first come to Persija. We all want to know
Mm.
what makes you interested in join Persija.
First of all, I've got my friends there.
Okay.
Emmanuel, he played in Pestica too before me, and Francis Yonga.
Okay,
I
I
was
see.
yes, I was playing in Cyprus that year. I remember, and they called me. They asked me if I want to join Indonesia. I said, really, I was like, we will see. And after a few months, they called me again and they asked me again, you still want to come? You want to come Indonesia or not? I say, it depends. Depends where, depends condition, and they said procedure. Really, I didn't know about Indonesian football.
Mhm.
Then Serge Mado, he told me he played in Persija, and it's a great team. It's the biggest team in Indonesia. I said, oh yeah, okay. And then I went on the internet and I checked. The first thing is Jackmania. I saw Jackmania in the stadium. I was like, really? And I said, okay, okay, I come. And then I watched, and I like challenge. So and I watched the table of the league, and Persija was last. I was like, how is possible? And he said, yeah, many problems. And I said, okay, I like challenge. I will come because I will come to fight. That's why I came to Persija, and straight I was, when you come somewhere, because I said, I remember one day I told to Komol at training,
Mhm.
because he told me, hey, Persija is good team. Don't go down. I said, no, you never go down, and we will fight. And, this motivation I got, and with all the other players, and when you feel that positive energy from everyone, I think it's something great. That's why when I arrived in Persija, straight straight I feel like at home, because the coach was very good, and the president and everywhere, all the Persija family were very 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 kind of with me when I arrived. But before I go Persija, really I didn't know about Indonesian football. But as soon as I checked on the internet, the first thing I saw the Jackmania, I was like, oh, okay. And then I went to see the table, and I was like, how? Why Persija is down with all this fun? This big stadium, and Younger and Serge, they told me, no, this is some little problem, and probably that I think with you they will go up again. I say, okay. If they trust me, I will fight. And they say, okay. They send me the ticket, and then I went. I came to Indonesia. That's how I came to Indonesia. And from the first training, I felt like, with the teammates, I felt like we have something to do.
Mhm.
And they welcomed me like they were very nice, very kind to me, and you know, this gives me more motivation to fight. And and that's it.
Okay, it's a very very touching, I think, because when you come and Persija the increase the rank to the top level, So you made
Yeah,
a sweet memory with Jackmania. Incredible.
yeah, that's very good. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, Pacho. Like I want to ask you, you have been played in many clubs, many countries. So what do you think? What the difference
Yeah.
of Persija between to other clubs that you have been played before?
You know, each each team has his own story, his own
Yeah.
habit, mentality. It's difficult to compare teams, because I played, for example, in Belgium. When I arrived in Belgium, I was young. I played in Aludia, the first
Mm.
team. We won the cup. It wasn't a big team, but the atmosphere were different, familiar. After I left, I went to Antwerp, and each team are different. But I can say that in Persija,
Yes.
when I arrived, the fans, the way they welcomed me, I felt like someone special. You know, I felt like, and I still because I'm lucky. I'm lucky to have that feeling, because when you have so much love from people, what can you do? You have to fight for them,
Yeah.
and that's it. But really, I can't compare teams or fans, or because in each team has his own fans, and everywhere I went, really I was welcome. I was okay. In Indonesia was really different, because I felt straight that real feeling.
Okay.
That's why until today I'm Persija. I don't lie. I don't hide. I'm
Oh.
Persija fan. I'm number one. Yeah. So mm,
Okay, Pacho. Uh, like you said before, we know you have already made a quick adaptation in Persija when you first come to Indonesia. So,
mm.
what makes you easy to adapt to play in Persija that year?
I think as I said before, when you arrive in one team, new team, and your teammates first, they welcome you
Okay.
in a good way. When they welcome you in a good way, after you have the good coach, you have the president who show you that he really he love the team, and his the condition of the team is not good, and he want to make everything for the team to go up. This gives you motivation, and then when you find Jack Mania,
Uh-huh.
somebody
Uh-huh.
like Jack Mania who push you, even when you miss something, they push you. You understand that they give you this positive energy they give you the power to help. That's how it was.
Do you remember who are your teammates?
Of course, I remember.
Can you mention?
Okay, Gali, goalkeeper,
Gali, goalkeeper.
goalkeeper. Fabiano,
Fabiano,
Robertino,
Robertino,
Ismet was
Ismet,
captain.
still
Ismet,
play.
yeah, the clubman.
Yes,
Yeah, Ismet, Komol, as I said,
Komul, very
uh,
Komul.
Rizky, Rohit Chan,
Rohichan,
Afifi, Rashmat Afandi,
Rahmat Afandi,
uh, the coach,
the
I
coach.
forget the coach, Benny Dolo,
Benny Dolo,
Benny
that's right.
Dolo, yeah, the coach. Okay, I forgot again. Oof, I don't forget, but Anindito,
Anindito.
yeah, who else? But like this, it's difficult to say, but I remember
Okay,
almost all the team.
it's okay, it's
Mm.
okay. So, who player who the closest friend of you, who the closest teammates for you?
That year when I arrived,
Yes. Who is
when I
your closest friend,
Rohit,
closest teammate? Rohit. Rohit.
Rohit Chan, yeah, we were in the same room always. So
Oh, you stay in same room
yeah,
with Rohit, yeah?
yeah, Rohit Chan,
What
yeah.
do you think about Rohit?
Good, very good player, very good person, very good player. Yeah, yeah, really.
Very
And
good.
I'm happy. He's still in Persija today. I'm happy. As I
Okay.
said, when you play Persija, it's difficult to go somewhere else, and that's why. So
Okay, so what in your opinion, who is the most unique player in Persija as your teammates?
it's met.
Ismet. Why you just Ismet?
But players like Smith, he's like Maldini in Milan. You know,
Yeah, yeah.
he's, uh, he's hard. He's Persija. I could say Bamba, but because that year he wasn't there, so
Yes.
I said it because from that time and until now, he's still there. So I think it's unique.
Yeah.
It's Smith.
Oh, Ismet.
Mm.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Now still playing with us, and maybe one day
And
you can
thanks.
come to watch Persija play.
Of course, of
Yeah.
course. I will. I will. I will.
Okay, Paco, you do you have any memorable match for you in Persija?
I, I two games.
Two games.
The first game, yeah,
Yes.
my first game, it was against I think Barito.
Barito
Yeah,
versus
because
Barito.
when you arrive somewhere, the first game it's always the one you have to do something when you are new somewhere. So the first game, and then the game in Papua, because I arrived in Indonesia and they told me you have to go Papua. I said, what is Papua? They said, no, Papua is other place. I was
Yeah,
like, okay.
the most
And
is
we
province.
went to
Yeah,
Papua. Yeah, yeah, and it was so far.
so far yes.
Yeah, and when we arrived, we played two games there.
Mm-hmm.
And the first game I didn't really play, and the second, this game, Persidafon, I think, Persidafon, and we
Persida
won.
Sponsor.
Yeah, we won 0-1 there
Okay,
in Persidafon.
Persida
Yeah,
Fon.
and I scored there, and then I get injury also. That's why this game is still in my mind.
So you got injury, we
Yeah,
won. So you still remember
yeah,
the match, yeah?
yeah. Because that place I was when I got injury, and I got injury just after the goal.
Oh,
I
okay.
score and then injury. Yeah, that's why I still remember that game.
Okay. Do you have any sweet moment that you still remember when you play in Persija? Besides the match,
Of course. Beside the match,
yeah. Any sweet memories?
the memory is, yeah, is the day we knew that procedure is safe. That day I was like, I think it was after Sriwijaya game. I think at home we won 1-0 also, and from that game I think we were safe. And I was like, oh God, thank God, you know. That's a great things to to good feelings.
Okay,
I would say.
I see, I see. So how about
Yeah.
the goal? Which goal that you that's so memorable for you when you play in Persija?
My first goal in when I play in Persija. The first
Okay.
game in the first goal because this gives you more power. They won in Persija phone,
Yes.
and the other one I think it's the last season I play with the last time I played with Persija. Balik Persiba I
Persiba
think.
Persiba Balikpapan.
Balikpapan I think
Okay.
against Balikpapan without yeah because yeah difficult situation as well. So this game also is in my mind now.
Okay. So,
Yeah.
Paco, do you remember anything about Jakarta City?
Jakarta City.
Yes. Do you remember anything? What's your
Yeah, little
favorite?
bit because I can say because I'm not someone who go too much
Okay.
out. So when I was in Jakarta,
Mhm.
I didn't even go many places. I don't know many places because sometimes when I was in Jakarta, okay, sometimes I was with Greg. sometimes we went out to eat, but not go out to jalan-jalan, no, not too much.
Any
The thing I can say I remember in Jakarta is when I first came in Indonesia. I was living in Lebak Bulus,
Lebak
in
Bulus.
Lebak Bulus yeah, uh, that place, that mall is Point Square.
Point Square, yes. Yes.
It's Point Square, yeah,
Yeah,
Point Square.
yeah.
This is the place I was living. So about Jakarta, not really. I don't really know many places in
Okay.
Jakarta
It's
because I
okay.
don't go out a lot. So
How about the
yeah,
food? Do you remember anything, or do you what's your favorite food, local cuisine in Jakarta? Maybe
the nasi goreng,
nasi goreng.
yeah, pedas. Nasi goreng seafood, pedas.
Nasi goreng seafood pedas. Wow, so spicy ya. You like ya?
Yeah, yeah. This is what. And then when my family came, they like soup buntut.
Sop buntut.
Yeah, soup
Option ya.
buntut. Yeah. But me always nasi goreng. But
Nasi goreng.
soup
Okay.
buntut also was nice. Yeah. Mm.
Okay, Paco. We now we are in the end of our interview. So
Mm.
you have do you still remember, right, the how the power of Jake Mania? Can you describe Jake Mania in one word?
Amazing.
Amazing. Why
Yeah.
just amazing?
It's difficult to. They are just amazing because you know I've played in many teams, and sometimes you have some fun. Okay, sometimes they are not happy about the result of the team, the way they play. But the Germania, even the team doesn't play good, they're still behind. Even the team is losing, they're still behind. And this is something special. That's why I say amazing.
Okay, that's the power of Jake Mania.
Mm.
So, Paco,
Yeah.
now we already in the end of the interview. So, Paco, thank you for your time. But, Paco, do you have any words for Jake Mania?
I have, of course. First of all, I want to say thank you for everything they gave to me because today I can say I'm who I am today because of them also. They were and they're still part of my life, and I want to say thank you for this and the opportunities because the supporters in one team, they are like 50%. So this opportunity they gave me also to play in that such of this team. And the other thing I have to say is they have to continue as they are to push the team because this team is amazing team also. So this is what I have to say. And I have to say also, not only the Jack Mania, all the Persija family, the president, Mr. Ferry, because this is the one who made me come in Persija. So thank you for the opportunity they gave me, and keep going because this team deserves to be always on top, and that's it.
Okay, Paco, thank you
Yeah.
for your time. Thank you for your...
Thank you too. Thank you for the opportunity.
Yes.
And
So,
we will meet soon.
yeah, we wish you can come to Indonesia and watch Persija play
Yeah.
GBK
Yeah, of course.
Stadium.
And I want to say also something, because I forgot. We always speak about teams, but we forgot the academy of the team.
Okay.
The youth. It's very important because sometimes we just think about the first team. But the thing I can say is we have to care about the academy. The kids and anyway all the youth team because this is the future.
That's right.
what
That's
I have
right.
to say because we have to think about this, and I think the young targets. We have to think about the young targets.
Yes.
It's very important in one thing. Yes. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, Paco, thank you for your time and stay safe, stay healthy.
You're
stay
welcome.
for your family. and good luck for your soccer
Okay.
school and your all of your project. Okay, Paco, thank you and see you. Ya teman-teman Jackmania, itu tadi wawancara singkat saya dengan Paco Kemoye. Mudah-mudahan bisa melepas kangen teman-teman Jackmania bersama Paco yang saat ini posisinya lagi ada di Belgia bersama keluarganya. Dan teman-teman Jackmania, jangan lupa untuk terus mendukung channel YouTube Persija Jakarta dengan cara melakukan subscribe di bawah, dan juga silakan ide dan kritik dan saran silakan teman-teman tuliskan di kolom komentar di bawah ini. Akhir kata, saya Randy Tanaya bersama tim media Persija Jakarta mohon pamit. Bang Jaja isi freon, gue Persija, gue champion.